Rolling.
Welcome to our farm. This is a tree we cut for building our house. And there is our chicken and rabbit. And over here is a water tank, and we build room for it.
We built room for a second one. Those are about $300 each. And this is our pond where we catch the runoff water. And we need $250 to finish that. Here we got herbs, sorrel and mint, and toilet paper. Lots of paintings. Here's our tiny nursery. We're going to be moving that down below. That's our living wall for our living room.
Here we're going to plant some aloe vera and some...
Here's our bed for aloe vera up high. We need to line this with cement sealer so that it's waterproof. In our garden we got okra, navu, ground cherries, tomatoes, eggplant, amaranth, pigeon peas, maize, peppers, basil in the corners for pests, cowpeas, moringa, melons, sweet potatoes, peanuts. These are the beds that we're still working on filling. Some moringa, cassava. We found that eggplant and papayas do really well together. Down here is where we're going to have our future nursery, right next to our future borehole. We want to finish doing terraces on this hillside and do ponds down in this lower area to help with water management, because it gets bone dry and then it'll flood and then things will die. So we want to build up swales and ponds in this lower area where our coconuts and sugarcane and coconuts live. Anything else, Jay?
Thank you.